Hi, this is Dino reporting from Snowstorm, Janus. The name is Janus. It is 3 a.m. I'm in the town of Babylon Village. And right there is a bar restaurant called Monsoon. And it has pink snowflakes, if you can see those. Yeah, I'm in the town of Babylon. It's an absolute ghost town. Well, it is 3 a.m. and there is a snowstorm going on. So we have about 15 inches of snow here. It's still coming down. Winds are gusting to around 20-25 miles per hour. Total devastation, as you can see. There's nobody on the road except for me. I'll reverse back and see what we got over here. A lot of bars and restaurants in this town. Lots. It's almost like the Huntington of the South Shore of Babylon Village. Solo Vino. Babylon cheese. Molto Vino. Cafe Il Villaggio. Man, a lot of Italian names around here. Oh, it looks like we have a truck coming down here. Just gave me the peace sign. I don't know what that means, but for some reason the plowers love seeing Dino in the streets. I don't know why, but they get all excited. Once again, they must think I'm Geraldo Rivera. Okay, I'm walking down to Main Street right now. This is actually Deer Park Avenue that I'm on. And there's a appliance store called Plessers. It's always better at Plessers. I think that's the song they sing. Oh, we ever get Glenn's Diner right here? Heard they have the best blueberry pancakes ever. Never been in there though. They close at 3 o'clock. They open at 6:30. 6:30 to 3 o'clock are their hours. Heard they have the greatest blueberry pancakes on the East Coast. Just made that up, but it sounded better. We have a polar vortex taking place right now as the snowstorm is still here. Quite a combo, actually. Usually never this cold when it's snowing. Usually, it's 27, 28, 29, 30 degrees. Right now it's about 12 degrees. The wind is gusting. The wind chill has to be below zero right now. I could tell because my face is actually starting to freeze up. Okay, guys, this is Dino reporting from the storm they call Janus. It's January 22nd, I believe, or 21st, one of those days. There we got a guy plowing right there. This is exciting right here. Maybe I can get an interview while he's doing it. I'll tell him I work for like some big news agency. And over here we have some Simply Wax. I've never been in one of those stores, but I'm sure they wax people. Salon Posh. Almost went down right there. Salon Posh, I think I've heard of this place. They give good haircuts. And there is an old movie theater that hasn't changed. Man, I'd say probably from the 60s to 70s. Hercules and Nut Job is playing there. Nut Job, what a fitting name. Wow, never knew that was a name. Bowtie Cinemas. Bowtie. Here come the troops, right here. Ladies and gentlemen, here come the troops. God bless those men. God bless those men for serving this town. And here we got Ferraro's Liquors, another Italian name. A lot of Italians in this town, it looks like. Oh, man. Okay, I think that's about it because I actually am getting close to being frostbitten. Across the street here, the old town hall. Big pile of snow right in the middle of the street. I have no idea what's going on here, but there's like a big pile of snow right there. And there's Old Glory blowing in the wind. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a big flag on top of that building right there. God bless America. And here's the town of Babylon. Main Street right here. It's an absolute ghost town. I am the only person here. Snow still coming down at maybe, I don't know, 3/4 of an inch, an inch an hour right now. It's actually like Antarctica out here. Whew. Yep, starting to lose feeling in my fingers right now. Here we got more snow piles right in the middle of Main Street. And here's my final destination. You see that one car? It's mine. Okay guys, this is Dino reporting from Babylon Village. Shout out to my blue chip fans, blue chip people. I don't know what you call them, blue chippers. Call them blue chippers. I felt compelled to do this video. People were asking me if I was going out to do this, so I did it. Man, it's like the frozen tundra out here. Look at this windswept snow. Total shutdown of an East Coast city. Shut down by Superstorm Janus. I just called it Superstorm. I think it sounds good. Alright guys, this is it. Dino signing off. See you guys later. See you guys in the next storm.